is Antoinette from smartneedle. Welcome to my channel and let's welcome our new subscribers. Summer is finally here and I'm so excited to share the cutest, bright and colorful coastal contour and toppers collection. This beautiful summer collection includes a sea turtle, a seahorse and a coral inspired design created in elegant contour stitching for endless creativity possibilities. Each design comes in two beautiful versions and includes 6 different hoop sizes. You will receive the contour embroidery designs so you can create any project your imagination desires, from bags and pillows, quilts, towels, mug rugs, and so much more. And as a special bonus, I am also including the matching applique toppers and potholder, featuring beautiful descriptive words stitched around each design, along with unique triangle fabric accents around the edge that give these toppers such a fun coastal charm and dimensional look. These designs will also create beautiful applique toppers to match your summer kitchen decor, table toppers, pot holders, mug rugs, so much more, making this collection perfect for adding a relaxing coastal touch all around your home. So grab your favorite fabrics, pick your favorite threads, and let's start stitching these beautiful coastal designs together. Okay, let's get started. I just want to remind you that all my embroidery designs can be stitched with a single needle embroidery machine or a multi-needle embroidery machine. Okay, let's hoop one layer of tear-away stabilizer and run the first spool color over the stabilizer. After the guideline has been done, we're going to cover it with 2 or 3 layers of cotton batting. That will depend how thick, how puffy you like your table topper to be. And then keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the cotton batting to the project. After the tack down line has been done, we're going to trim all around it. Now we're going to cover the whole cotton batting area with a piece of pattern fabric of your choice. Then keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that pattern fabric to the project. Then the next spool color will do the first applique guideline as the video shows. Okay, let's prepare our applique fabric. Since we're doing blanket applique, I highly recommend to use heat and bond on the back of the fabric. Just iron your piece of fabric over the heat and bond as the video shows. Make sure you iron the front and the back of the fabric as the video shows. If you would like to use the same heat and bond I use in all my projects, you can find it under my Amazon storefront and the link is right under the video description. Now let's cover the whole applique guideline we already did with the fabric we just prepared. Just make sure you remove the paper backing from the heat and bond before laying it down. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the heat and bond applique fabric to the project. After the tack down line has been done, we're going to trim all around it. Now the next spool colors will begin stitching the contour design. Contour embroidery is one of my favorite techniques because it creates a beautiful 3D effect while keeping the embroidery light and elegant, making it perfect for many different projects. The dimensional effect is created by the way the stitches flow and follow the natural movement and shape of the design, giving the embroidery a soft artistic look full of texture and details. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do the blanket applique stitch all around the edge of the applique fabric. Now the text all around the design will begin stitching. Each sea creature features its own special descriptive words that beautifully match the design you are creating at the moment, adding such a unique and charming coastal detail to the embroidery. Now we're getting ready to add the fabric triangles all around the edge of the design. For fabric placement, I like to use wash away double-sided tape. This is a wonderful product that helps hold fabrics and different materials in place during embroidery. Simply place the tape all around the inner circle tack down stitch, just as I'm showing you in the video. Once the tape is in place, carefully remove the paper backing and get ready to position your fabric triangles. If you would like to use the same wash away double-sided tape I'm using, you can find it under my Amazon storefront, and the link is right under the video description. Now let's prepare our fabric triangles. For the 8x8 hoop size, we will need 12 triangles. If you go larger in hoop size, you should increase the count to 16 triangles. Start by cutting squares that measure 4 inches by 4 inches. Then fold each square corner to corner, as I'm showing you in the video, and fold once more sideways to form a neat triangle. It's very easy to do and the color combinations are endless. This step is so much fun. Now we're going to start placing the fabric triangles as I'm showing you in the video. Begin at the top of the circle, then the bottom, then left and then right. From there, continue adding the remaining triangles in a counterclockwise direction. The last few triangles you place will tuck under the first row of triangles you positioned, so they will sit next to each other with a slightly overlap, creating a continuous and even edge around the design. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do a circle tack down all around the design to attach all those triangles to the project. As you can see here, all our triangles are already attached to the project. Now it is time to close our topper. Cut 2 pieces of fabric large enough so that when each one is folded in half, it will cover half of the topper, overlapping about 1.5 to 2 inches, as I'm showing you in the video. Make sure the folded edge is placed towards the middle of the topper. Then continue running your machine for the last spool color. This will create a tack down stitch that secures all the fabrics together and completes your topper. Now it is time to unhook your project, and then we're going to tear away all the stabilizer as the video shows. Then we're going to cut all around the tack down stitch, leaving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now comes the exciting part. We're going to turn the whole pot holder or topper right side out, as I'm showing you in the video. Make sure to carefully shape the circle so it looks smooth and well defined, and also adjust the fabric triangles so they sit nice around the edge. Don't forget to remove the wash away tape. It comes off very easy. Once everything is shaped, we will iron the entire topper, front and back, so the heat and bond can properly fuse all the fabrics together. Be sure to press the fabric triangles as well to achieve a clean, smooth and perfectly round finish, just like I'm showing you in the video. Look at them, they are so cute and colorful, perfect for summertime. Remember, there are 6 hoop sizes included for both the contour designs and the toppers together, so you can create not only toppers but also placemats and so much more. How beautiful would it be to make a full set of placemats for your patio? The fabric combinations are truly endless, and what I love about this project is how the fabric triangles help us to achieve a larger diameter for the toppers while adding that beautiful fabric texture we all love. As you can see, everything is done in just one hooping. Fresh, cute, and perfectly summery. Now it is time for our sweepstake giveaway. I am giving away a cute Gluegun shaped USB stick, perfect for saving your embroidery designs on the go. I am also including one package of sewing charms, great for keychains, zipper pullers, and so much more from smartneedle, and a package of 6 fat quarter fabrics from MODA, perfect to start your summer sewing projects. To enter, simply leave a comment below and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and make sure your notifications are on so you'll know who's the winner, because it might be you. This giveaway will close in June 28th Pacific Standard Time, and the winner will be chosen randomly from the comments. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube or any other platform. Good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for participating. As you can see here, I have completed the full set of toppers, and they are absolutely adorable. Perfect for summertime with bright colors and beautiful fabric details that really make them stand out. I love the contour embroidery details that give this project such a fresh and simple look. Everything is done in one hooping, with multiple hoop sizes to choose from, making it both fun and versatile. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to support Smart Needle channel. Thank you so much for all your support and for being part of the Smart Needle community. Stay safe, keep stitching, be creative, and have fun making beautiful projects. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.